In this video, I want to introduce the Facebook Business Manager, which is really your go-to place to, if you're running any kind of pages, groups, ads, if you're working in a team, you've got to be using the Facebook Business Manager from now on. Now,
this video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
There's some confusion of like, why should I do that? Because if you're on your regular Facebook, like I am now that I'm showing you, you can just go to pages, for example, and you can just click on create your page here. And right from this page, you can create a page and you can post your posts and do whatever you want. So why do you need to use the Business Manager? I'll tell you why. Here's Facebook's official page on why you need Business Manager and what it is. It's your number one place to organize everything, because if you have one page, it might not be that hard to manage it randomly from your personal account. But if you have many pages, if you work across Facebook and Instagram, if you work across a team, if you want to give people roles, if you have multiple ads that you're running, this becomes all really convoluted if you do this from your personal profile. So here are the major reasons. Okay, so if you have a team, you can assign people to pages without using your personal account. It's a business. People don't need to mix with your personal account. So you can assign roles. You can manage assets, which is your accounts, like different Facebook accounts, different Instagram accounts, and different pages and ads and apps and everything you have. Also, if you use a vendor, meaning if somebody is managing your maybe Facebook page for you, if you're just a business owner and you want somebody like a freelancer or an agency to manage your Facebook and Instagram content for you, this would be a really good place to give them those right permissions. So again, they don't cross over with your personal account. They also talk about permissions here. I've already touched on that. They have extra security features. That's important. And also, just in case you are not just a small business owner who wants to use their own pages, but just in case maybe you are trying to start like a Facebook marketing agency, or you're just a Facebook marketing freelancer and you have many clients, well, this is the way to manage this, so they can all give you permissions so that you don't get lost in different logins and logging into a million different accounts. You'd have it all here and you'd be able to manage it from here. So this is great for people who have beyond just one very basic page. And even if you have just one very basic page, still, this is your place to be. Now, how do you get to the Facebook Business Manager? The URL of the Facebook Business Manager is business.facebook.com. Very easy. business.facebook.com. You come here and you can create an account, and that's what we're going to start doing in the next video.